Have you heard of dynamic search ads before? They're one of the coolest new ways to advertise online. Hi, I'm John Lincoln, and today I'm going to tell you about one innovative new digital marketing ad format, and that is dynamic search ads. At first glance, dynamic search ads seem just like any other ad, but there's actually one major difference to them. They use content from your own website to target users specifically online. This is a huge change from normal ads because usually keywords are the main driving factor. So this is actually a fairly large shift. So the way that this works is Google matches queries, so normal search queries, to content on your website. And then based off of that, they're able to serve the correct advertising. What happens next is when somebody's searching for a product or service around what you offer on your website, Google is going to serve an ad from your website and then direct users back to your site. So really the end goal is to fill any gaps for Google that they might have missed for advertising and for keyword selection with this new kind of content to keyword mapping. So one of the biggest differences with dynamic search ads is you actually don't get a chance to create the headline. Google creates the headline for you. So what they'll do is they'll actually pull text from your site and use that to create the headline for the dynamic search ads. So for example, if you're a pizza company and somebody searches for gluten-free pizza, then Google is actually going to return a headline for that for the advertisement that has something like best gluten-free pizza in it. Now that can cause an issue because you might not want Google to make up a headline for you. And if they're making up headlines, it might not be what you would have wanted to write. So that's something that you kind of have to think about as like an assumed issue that could come up with these dynamic search ads. You know, the biggest benefit to dynamic search ads is that it fills that gap in inventory between keywords and the content on the site. So it really takes care of that, and it really creates more inventory for Google, and also can be great for advertisers for a variety of reasons. And some of those reasons I'll run through right now. So one, it saves you time. You no longer have to map specific keywords. The dynamic search ads will kind of just be up and running and take care of that for you. Two, it's frequent. There's going to be automatic updates made to these ads based off of what the person searched for. Three, they're really, really relevant because it matches the products to the queries. So these ads are always going to be on target. Four, control your campaign. So you can decide whether or not you want to show dynamic search ads for everything inside of a category, a specific product page, or the entire website. So that's nice that it gives you some control. Five, capture additional traffic. I think that's probably one of the biggest benefits of these campaigns is there's more inventory, you're gonna get more traffic. Yes, it might not all be as qualified as an exact match keyword or anything like that, but you're gonna get more people coming to your site, and that matters for something. Six, you no longer have to choose a display URL. Instead, with dynamic search ads, they're just going to use your main domain as the final destination URL, so that saves you a little bit of time. So when do you use dynamic search ads? Well, they're actually not that great for all websites. They're actually meant for large brands that have content-rich websites. So it's really kind of more for that sector than for others. So if you've got plenty of landing pages, you're a huge e-commerce website, you've got a lot of different pages out there, dynamic search ads are probably going to be a pretty good option for you. Also, if you have a lot of changes in your inventory, dynamic search ads are also great because you don't have to take the time to rebuild all these ads all the time. So if you have a very seasonal business, seasonal e-commerce site, then this is going to make sense for you. So when it comes to dynamic search ads, there are a couple things that you want to focus on. One, make sure you've got a really good negative keyword list. That's going to be super helpful. Two, take the time with your descriptions because while you can't control the title, you can control the descriptions. So that's going to make it even more important for you. Three, make sure you have a strong call to action, not necessarily in the ads, but on your website. Conversion rate optimization is so important. Think about the customer journey when they hit that landing page. Do they have a strong call to action there? That's going to really help. So that's it for dynamic search ads. Get out there, give it a try. It's a great way to advertise and something that's pretty cool, new and innovative, and might even save you some time. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day.